just picked up a new motorcycle. This is completely different, and yeah, I got it for free. I can't believe it. Check it out. It's a 1985 Honda Shadow. Let's look around. Thanks to Johnny, I managed to get this today. It needs some work, doesn't start. I don't have the key, but I do have the title, and that's the best part about it. But I wanted to show you guys before I start working on it, and hopefully I can get this thing running. But it's a fantastic looking bike. It's got some problems. Tires are dry rotted. That's to be expected. The bike sat for a very long time, and it's got rust, surface rust on the forks. And there's rust all over here. Look at that, highway pegs. This is cool, really cool. It's missing the plastic here. Oh, that's kind of odd. So these are your foot pegs. You kind of rest easy rider style with your legs forward. And this is, I guess, an additional peg, so you can feel a little bit sportier. I don't know. Then there's the passenger foot pegs there. And there is another key for lifting up. Oh, I guess it's just the helmet holder, but it won't work because I don't have the ignition key. Missing a blinker. This is a little bit loose. The bike sat outside for a very long time, so this is what happens. It's a cool V-twin. V-twin. The carburetor is right up here. Spark plugs are really easy to access. I never had a cruiser style bike, so I'm kind of curious about it. I have ridden cruisers before, but this is going to be like my easy rider project. One thing that we're going to have to do is, since the key for the ignition is gone, that's going to be gone too. So we are going to have to be removing this, empty it all out. Very interesting looking bike. It needs a lot of work. That's what happens when a bike sits out for a very long time. Guys, now is the fun time where I'm going to be mounting all the stuff in the headlights and the turn signals and the fuel, the gauges and everything, and just putting it all back together. Since the ignition works, I should be okay. Now it's a matter of getting the gas to the engine.
Didn't know the reason why. The dark at five, but yet a light. I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. By the time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more.
Alright, so as you guys can tell, the Honda Shadow lives. I can't believe I got it to work. You know, the hard work isn't done. There's a lot of things that I have to do. But I am very happy that this thing fires up. And it fires up quick. I wonder if this girl's gonna be impressed by my motorcycle. Oh man, if I had mirrors I could see if she's looking. The engine sound on this is pretty cool. Like I can hear the, kind of like there's this whining noise that a lot of Hondas make. And I think a lot of the hardcore Harley guys don't like that. It's like a smoothness to the bike. It's got like a really nice V-twin sound, but yet there's hardly any vibration coming through the handlebars. That makes it much more comfortable. But this bike feels like it's like a sled that I'd ride across the United States. It would be a cool experience riding this bike around the United States. It's so retro. I mean, it is an original retro bike, so it would make sense. And this bike sounds pretty killer. I think I really enjoyed getting this bike up and running, but sometimes older doesn't mean it's less than, and I think a lot of people forget that.